How to delete a board on Pinterest on Android. This tutorial shows you how to remove a board from your profile quickly and easily. First, open the Pinterest app on your Android device. After that, tap on your profile icon at the bottom right of the screen. From there, scroll through your boards and find the one you want to delete. Let me show you. At this point, tap on the board to open the options menu and select three dots. In the next step, tap on Edit Board and Header Image to open the board editing options. From there, scroll down to the bottom of the edit screen and look for the Delete Board option. At this stage, scroll and tap on Delete Board to begin the deletion process. Following this, a confirmation pop-up will appear asking if you're sure you want to delete the board. Tap on Delete to confirm. Once done, the board, along with all the pins saved inside it, will be permanently deleted from your Pinterest profile. Here's an important note. Deleting a board on Pinterest is permanent and cannot be undone. All the pins inside the board will be lost, so make sure you've saved anything important before confirming the deletion. And that's it. If this guide helped you delete a board on Pinterest, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.